विसवप्रांत तुमकां येवकार. देवश्री गार्डन जंक्शन आनी राष्ट्रीय महामार्ग 17च्या भोंवतण वाठारांत ट्रॅफिक सिग्नलांची खंय गरज आसा ह्या संदर्भात चर्चा आनी सुचोवण्यो घेवपाक बिरेस्तारा सुकूर पंचायतीन बसका जाली. ह्या वेळार थळावे आमदार मंत्री रोहन खंवटे, येरादारी पुलीस अधीक्षक आंगले आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आशिल्ले. आरटीएक्स गोवा खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
One is there is already a light on the signals. We will see how it can be adjusted. Additional pole on the other side. Within the next 10 to 15 days, we will see if we can put them. Amber lights are already there. They may have gone bad, but then we will correct the issue. And the third thing is timer is already in place. Maybe it's not working fine. We'll check it out.
No, and the lights, what they say, instead of arrows, give them the seconds.
Timer is there. Timer is there.
Permanent basis, expectations of the people are there. But basic thing is, why don't our people adhere to rules and regulations what are kept? If I am supposed to cross to stay before my zebra crossing, when I see the signal, there is a respect to the small area what I am giving. But no, I will cross it. Rare hone to I will cross it. That is the tendency of a citizen. I have myself almost hit into a Holy Family Junction because these guys on bikes, especially bikers, they just go zooming by. We will ensure that whatever improvements can be done in increasing the manpower, we will still talk to them.
You can at least till such time as your compound wall or whatever gets ready, it's you can, at least at peak hours, if you can, give us a constable.
Our random checks.
Listen, I will give you a much better solution than
Yes, sir.
From Devashri Gardens, Porvorim. For quite some time we have been experiencing a lot of difficulties at a signal which comes to our colony. And in and around the area there have been many people facing the same complaints. So we decided that we need to put this forward to the Honorable MLA. And fortunately today he called for a meeting. And I think it was very fruitful. He had the traffic people, he had the deputy collector, he had the highway executive engineer, he had the traffic consultant.
it takes time. So I will consult Mr. Jain. We will see how best we can help you and how fast we can help you.
Basically, you know what they are asking for? Samne wala.
Yes.
Samne wala.
Yes.
The only problem constantly you have to understand is these roads are undergoing widening. Number one. Number two, the groundwork is completing. Number two, since once the ground area where the gadas are right now, minute that area gets barricaded and the area for the ground is being taken in, automatically a clear area will be there. Then we can indicate to National Highway, we can indicate the place where they can locate it. So you have to understand to bear little time. I think they are in sync with what you are talking about. We will put the signal. Only thing you will have to wait for some time till the line and that multi-purpose groundwork which is happening is complete.